Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a multiple choice trivia game on any topic on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And after that you should tap on the more button down below, which will appear down below in the right side corner of the screen. So once it is loaded in, click on the more button, tap on see more, and then click on blueprints. Tap on all, scroll down to the trivia section, tap on it, click on make your own. And after that you should type in a question into the question box, such as who won the Academy Award for Best Actress in the year 2010, and then you should provide several answers, since it is a multiple choice game. Here you can find the answers, and then you should indicate which one is the correct one by this green checkmark icon. That you can do that by tapping on the relevant checkmark icon once again, and you can add as many answers you want to by clicking on the add answer button, and you can remove them by clicking on the minus icon. You can also add a follow-up fact into this next box, and here you can add as many questions and answers you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.